So guys, we are here with Havi and Abir. So let's talk about their song. So आप इस वक्त सेट पे आपको कैसा फील हो रहा है? बिकॉज सुबह से लेकर अब तक how are you guys feeling?
बहुत अच्छा फील हो रहा है क्योंकि द सॉन्ग इटसेल्फ इज रियली नाइस एंड वी आर एक्चुअली फीलिंग इट, तो ऑब्वियसली इट्स अ गुड फीलिंग। सुबह से हैं, पर क्या करें।
आपकी पहली म्यूजिक वीडियो है ना, या इसके अलावा?
द वेरी फर्स्ट।
What about you?
जी,
आपको कैसा फील हो रहा है?
it's my song. I like it.
तो आप इस लाइक कंसेप्ट पे कैसे हैं? द सारी बॉलीवुड वाइब लगी है मुझे।
बॉलीवुड
Like
तो
the
नहीं
concept, हाँ, थोड़ी
है,
सी।
लेकिन आई फील लाइक जैसे ही गाना लिख रहे थे हम, ड्यूरिंग द राइटिंग फेज दिस आइडिया वाज सोलिडिफाइड, और उसी वक्त ही हमें पता था कि हमने यही करना है इसके साथ। तो आई थिंक डिलीवर अच्छा हो रहा है और एक मीडियम अच्छा बन गया है, तो इट्स गुड।
आप लोगों की केमिस्ट्री के बारे में आपको कैसा हुआ कि अबीर
You know what, like
ये
it's
song है?
actually really good because like he's easy to work with,
Yeah.
and am I easy to work with?
Yeah, you are.
Yeah. So like it's not that difficult, you know. We're enjoying it. We're also enjoying it. So yeah.
अब तक कोई शूट के दौरान ऐसा मोमेंट है कि वो ये होगा मेमोरेबल हमारे लिए?
नहीं,
अभी तो
I'm
कोई-
actually like excited कि like बहुत अच्छा।
नहीं, मैं कह रही हूँ
I think I didn't get you.
कि लाइक अब तक जो प्रॉपर सुबह से लेकर अब तक कोई शूट में ऐसा मोमेंट हुआ है कि आपको होगा कि यार ये तो एक मेमोरी बन गई है?
हाँ, मैंने तो आपको उल्टा सुना, sorry.
It's okay.
Actually, it was really nice. The stage part, it was really nice, and the moment she's really happy, she's surprised. That's such a beautiful moment. I think it's like girls can relate. It's a beautiful moment.
और आप अपनी लुक के बारे में क्या कहेंगी? नाइल एंड हमजा सेट के बहुत उन्होंने
Well, it's like
traditional-
all the efforts combined, the stylist, everybody. So it's really nice. It's like a very soft, glamorous kind of look.
he said कि उन्होंने आपको एक मॉडर्न टच में करने की कोशिश
I mean,
किया।
I am ready as a traditional bride, but as you can see, the modern
Yeah.
aspect is there. It's not too traditional, it's not too modern, it's like in between, and I love it.
Okay. और फॉर यू,
Yeah.
आप जो सारी क्रिएटिव डायरेक्शन होती है प्रॉपर आपके सॉन्ग की, तो आप कितना इन्वॉल्व थे इस पूरी डायरेक्शन?
अच्छा, ये ऑब्वियसली लिरिक्स मैं ही लिखता हूँ, मेलोडी भी मैं बनाता हूँ, और इस म्यूज़िक वीडियो का पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट जो है वो सारा मेरा ब्रेन चाइल्ड है। और बस मुझे पता था कि ये गाना इसी तरह कहा जाएगा और इस गाने को इसी तरह बताना है। तो आई एम अ बिट पर्टिकुलर अबाउट थिंग्स। So the only marvelous aspect is कि Awais and the rest of the team and Abir and all of these guys, they understood it, they vibed with it, they came along and tried to pull it off together, and so far I'm pretty happy with it. It's better than what I imagined actually.
तो आप इस म्यूजिक वीडियो से क्या चाहते हैं कि फैंस देख के क्या एक्सपेक्टेड रिलेट करें?
पता नहीं, relate तो ना करें। पता नहीं, I think it's a story. I think it's a concept. I think it's a message, and each message is very personal to each viewer. So whatever they want to devise out of it, it's up to them. But I've told a story which was close to my heart, and I've tried to do justice to it, and that's enough.
So is there going to be a heartbreak or not? क्योंकि मैं बीच में से
I think you should watch it. Yeah. Huh? Yeah.
It's a surprise.
It's a surprise. Yeah.
ओके, इस गाने को फिर अगर सरप्राइज है तो 3 वर्ड्स में एक्सप्लेन करें।
I think Abir should try it.
I knew this coming towards me. Happiness.
एक्सप्रेशन।
Love to its fullest. And reality.
रियलिटी। ओके।
Do you do you want to correct me somehow if you don't feel like that?
No, I think it was very appropriate. I think it was very appropriate.
सेम गोज लाइक तीनों
Yes, if
की
the
कोई
singer
सेम?
says it, okay.
I wouldn't term it like that, but I do agree with it. I think it's a very apt description of it.
आपने ज़्यादा रियलिटी पे फोकस।
I think reality, I don't want to spoil it, so yes, we'll go with reality.
और इस सारे लाइक गाने को मतलब सॉन्ग को लिखते हुए सारी क्रिएटिव डायरेक्शन में सबसे ज़्यादा कोई चैलेंज हुआ था? लाइक सबसे ज्यादा कुछ तो हुआ होगा ना जो आप लोगों के लिए चैलेंजिंग है या था?
Well, actually, no.
नो?
Because like in terms of working, I think no. Um, it's like I won't say that it's very easy or something like that. Easy is not an appropriate word to use, I think. But we're enjoying it. That's why we're like liking it so far. And like there's no such thing like that's difficult for both of us. We're actually enjoying it. It's like phases, you know.
Yeah.
So yeah.
I think for me, romance is something which is very is a tough pill to swallow. So, but with Abir, and you know the way she explains things, she talks to me, I talk to her. We have this really good bond going. तो वो अच्छा हो जाता है, easy हो जाता है. वरना बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है यार, कैसे आप
Because it really depends on the other person.
Yeah.
If you're like okay with it, then it's obviously it depends on the other person as well, how that person's doing it with you, and like we're good with it.
Yeah, plus I'm not an actor, so I'm not an actor.
I'm also not an actor, but yeah.
सो इज देयर लाइक कोई ऐसा सीन हुआ अब तक जिसमें सबसे ज्यादा टेक्स किए हैं आप लोगों ने? आई थिंक द डांस वन.
The dance one? I think takes का मसला नहीं हुआ मुझे तो नहीं मसला हुआ.
Because you know what, like our actor, our hero, wanted to do it like better and better, which was a very very good thing, and that's why they took like a couple of shots of every scene, which is fine. Yeah.
I think what happened was that Abir made me look really pretty because she's gorgeous. So
You're just too kind, too kind.
no. But yeah, I think it flowed very easily. बहुत easy था. It didn't take many attempts.
ओके.
Yeah.
योर करंट ऑब्सेशन सॉन्ग्स को ही लेके, लाइक
Songs के बारे में आप पूछिए.
आप नॉर्मली वैसे किस टाइप के सॉन्ग सुनती हैं?
मैं सुनती हूँ जैसे उस टाइप के गाने, एक कुड़ी जिदा ना मोहब्बत है. I listen to those kind of songs. Love songs, obviously. I love romance. I'm like a hardcore Bollywood fan. So yeah.
I wanted to sing the song.
And also like I love his songs. He's a great singer. I love unke andaze
I
karam.
have to say.
No, I said that to him like in the morning. I did, right?
Yeah, you
Yes. Unke andaze karam मुझे बहुत पसंद है.
Now you have to sing it good.
I have to sing Ek Kudi. I haven't heard that song.
What?
I haven't heard that song.
जिदा ना मोहब्बत है.
If you say so, but I haven't heard that song.
बस उनके अंदाजे करम आप गा दें.
No, I think I could sing a bit of this song.
Yeah.
That would be better, right? ये कब आ रहा है वैसे इंटरव्यू?
ये after your song.
अच्छा फिर तो
हाँ फिर हो गया.
the favorite line.
Yeah, वो धूप के कहे बिना दिन भला यहाँ कब हुआ, आप ही समेट लो मैं सदा का बिखरा हुआ, आपके बिना बाग दिल में कब क्या हुआ, मिल गए भी तो दाग दिल कम ना हुआ, रातें साया. Please make me stop. Yeah.
You sing it so well that nobody wants to stop you.
Very well.
Thank you.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I love it.
Do you like the song? Okay.
मैं वो
We'll let you
सुन के
leave
बताऊँ.
now.
Yeah.
Otherwise, we would have stopped you, until you like the song.
अगर like आप सिंगर ना होते फिर क्या होता?
I've been asked this question so many times.
Yeah, but I wanna know.
I'd be a writer,
Oh,
definitely.
you'd be a good writer.
Yeah.
Thank
you.
Okay. I think it's the last question. So,
Okay.
what's one thing कि आपके fans को नहीं पता?
उनको बहुत कुछ नहीं पता और ऐसे ही रहना चाहिए.
But कुछ तो होना चाहिए ना.
नहीं तो
Sunday
अगर नहीं
Times
पता
पे
तो
जाए.
जानबूझ के नहीं पता ना, मैं क्यों
लेकिन
बताऊंगा.
कुछ Sunday Times
संडे टाइम्स के लिए कुछ मसाला चाहिए.
हाँ.
आई थिंक उनको जितना लगता है ना पता है, उनको वो भी नहीं पता. And I never correct them. I let them go. I let them,
nice.
assume, think and all of that. I like my life private, and I think music is the aspect which I want them to know about.
Okay.
And the rest of it is for me to live, enjoy, breathe, destroy,